Welcome back to the workshop. I'm Kyle, and as you can see, we're out here in the great outdoors because we're talking about the pocket knife sharpener, which is one of our best field sharpeners. We're going to tell you how to use it, go over some of the features like the abrasives, then we're going to make some recommendations on how you can get the most out of yours. Let's take a look at a few of the features on the pocket knife sharpener. So you've got angle guides at 25 degrees for both abrasives. You've got a diamond plate at 320 grit. It's a little bit more of a coarse grit. That's to get you to be able to raise a burr quickly. Then you've got a fine ceramic, which if you're looking for a grit number, probably about 1,000, and that's going to get you honed and back to doing that field work that you need quickly. When it comes to sharpening with the pocket knife sharpener, you're going to start on the diamond plate, rest the knife on the angle guide, and then draw across the diamond plate, stopping with the tip on the plate. Do that on the same side for 5 to 10 strokes until you raise a burr. Once you've raised a burr, which you'll feel for by running your finger across the knife, go ahead and repeat the same amount of strokes on the opposite side. Again, remember, keep the tip on the abrasive to avoid any rounding. When it comes to honing, you're going to use light pressure, only this time you're going to alternate strokes because now that you've got that burr formed, you're just looking to slowly work it away until it's gone and you're left with a razor sharp edge. Light pressure, and you'll be back to work in no time. As far as recommendations go with the pocket knife sharpener, we recommend pairing it like a fine wine. Usually you'll start out with a sharp knife already that you've set with a precision adjust or a bench stone, or maybe it's a brand new knife. But when you're in the field, obviously you're going to use that knife and it's going to need to get touched up. That's where the pocket knife sharpener comes in. You can do those field touch-ups, keep that edge, and get the work done that you're looking to do. The pocket knife sharpener is also great for knives like recurves. Happen to have one right here. When it comes to sharpening a recurve, you're going to use the ceramic to do that, and it's going to take a little bit longer to raise a burr if the knife is dull. So we recommend it's going to take you probably 15 or 20 strokes on one side to raise that burr, but the nice thing about that round ceramic is it's just going to follow the curve of that blade wherever it goes. So take your time, use the angle guides, raise that burr, and then switch sides, do the same amount of strokes, and then just like before, you'll finish with alternating strokes until you've got that keen edge that you're looking for. The pocket knife sharpener is also great for serrated knives. It's going to need to be a large serration because this ceramic won't fit into smaller serrations, but if you've got one like this knife here with these large serrations, what you're going to want to do is lay the serration on the ceramic until you feel it's going to feel like it bites in or almost falls into that groove, and then you're just going to follow that groove back and forth to restore that edge. Do that all the way down the knife. And then once you're done there, flip the knife over to knock off that burr that you created by slightly angling but hitting the back of the knife, and you're good to go. As far as other uses for the pocket knife sharpener, you can also use it on tools to set an edge. Say you've got a hatchet, you can bring the sharpener to the hatchet and use it like a file or a shovel. It's great for that as well when you're out in the field. Thanks for watching, guys. For those of you that already own the pocket knife sharpener, hopefully you learned how to get a little bit more out of it. For those of you that are looking to buy one, you can head to our website, www.worksharptools.com. You can find them there. Your local retailer will likely have them as well. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get back to my hike.